Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix DLSS Frame Generation if it isn't working in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced on PC. This issue is usually caused by Windows graphics settings, NVIDIA App configuration, or outdated graphics drivers. Follow these solutions one by one until Frame Generation starts working properly. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type Graphics Settings. Open Graphics Settings. Now click Advanced Graphics Settings. Look for Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. If this option is turned off, enable it. After enabling it, restart your computer. Restarting your PC is required for the change to take effect. Once Windows starts again, launch Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced and check if DLSS Frame Generation is now working. If the issue continues, open the NVIDIA App. Click the Graphics tab. If Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced already appears in the list, select it. If you don't see the game, click the three-dot menu and select Add a Program. Browse to the game's installation folder. Select Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced.exe, then click Open. Once the game has been added, make sure it's selected. Now open Global Settings. Locate DLSS Override Model Preset. Click the pencil icon next to it. Change the setting to use 3D App Settings, then click Apply. Next, locate DLSS Override Frame Generation. Click the pencil icon. Again, select Use 3D App Settings. Then click Apply, launch the game again, and check if frame generation is working. Solution 3. Update or reinstall your NVIDIA driver. If DLSS Frame Generation still isn't working, open the NVIDIA app again. Go to the Drivers tab, click Check for updates. If a newer driver is available, download and install it. If you're already using the latest driver, select Reinstall Driver instead. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer. After Windows starts again, launch Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced and test DLSS Frame Generation. That's all there is to it. One of these solutions should restore DLSS Frame Generation in Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Assassin's Creed tutorials, NVIDIA tips, PC gaming fixes, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.